question we've heard recently is, should investors be concerned when markets hit record highs? Last week, all three major indexes, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and NASDAQ, closed at new record highs. The NASDAQ led the way, gaining 2.4% for the week, while the S&P 500 rose 1.4% and the Dow added 0.9%. What's interesting is that this rally isn't being driven by lower interest rates or expectations of Federal Reserve support. In fact, inflation remains elevated, economic growth continues to hold up well, and many analysts now believe the Fed is unlikely to cut rates this year. Some have even begun discussing the possibility of additional rate hikes if inflation proves more stubborn than expected. Instead, investors continue to focus on the strength of corporate earnings and invested capital into artificial intelligence. Companies tied to AI infrastructure, software, and semiconductor development remain at the center of market leadership, helping push technology stocks and the broader market to new highs. Outside of equities, oil prices declined to around $87 per barrel last week, following reports of an extended ceasefire agreement between the U.S. and Iran. While airstrikes reportedly continued over the weekend, investors viewed the developments as a sign that energy supply disruptions may be less severe than previously feared. As we look ahead, one of the most important data points this week will be Friday's May jobs report. The labor market has remained remarkably resilient throughout this cycle, and investors will be watching closely for signs of either continued strength or any meaningful slowdown. This environment serves as a reminder that markets don't always need lower rates to move higher. When earnings are growing, businesses are investing, and the economy remains healthy, stocks can continue advancing even in a high-rate world. As always, if you have questions about how your current market conditions relate to your financial plan, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to discuss what matters most to you and your family goals.